Are you fed up with your Amazon Fire Stick? It is incredibly frustrating when Amazon changes the home screen and blocks advanced tools like ADB. It is time to escape the locked-down Amazon ecosystem and upgrade to true streaming freedom. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, we are going to show you 3 incredible budget-friendly devices that support total sideloading, cost under $100, and are available globally. Let us jump right into the top alternatives. Step 1 is to check out the Xiaomi Mi Box 3rd generation. You can grab this sleek device for around $45 to $50 on AliExpress or slightly more on Amazon. Under the hood, it features the latest S905X5M system on chip. This processor is 25% faster on the CPU side and delivers over 130% better GPU performance. It gives you 2 GB of RAM and a massive 32 GB of onboard storage. It fully supports Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. This is a fast, compact box that lets you install all your favorite third-party apps without any Amazon bloatware. Step 2 is to explore the StrongLeap S3 Pro. This box is an absolute powerhouse for streaming enthusiasts. It comes packed with a quad-core CPU, 32 GB of storage, and a massive 4 GB of RAM. That extra RAM makes it perfect for running heavy applications smoothly. It features a modern USB-C port, a 100 megabit per second Ethernet port, and a premium backlit remote control. It handles Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos flawlessly. You can find this model on Amazon for around €56, making it a stellar budget option. Step 3 is to look at the identical twin to the Leap Pro, which is the Rocktech GX1. Built by the same manufacturer, this device features the exact same core specs. You get the Realtek RTD1325 system on chip and 4 GB of RAM. The standout features here are the advanced artificial intelligence tools. It includes AI picture quality enhancements and AI super resolution upscaling. This technology sharpens lower resolution video files in real time. It also features quick media switching to eliminate screen blanking. Step 4 is to consider the Thomson Streaming Box 270 Plus. If you are familiar with the popular On 4K Pro, this is the exact equivalent for the UK and European markets. It recently underwent a massive price drop and is now available for under £60. It runs on a reliable S905X4 system on chip, with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. This is an amazing option if you want to run custom launchers. Adjust settings via ADB and break free from Fire OS. Step 5 is to maximize the advanced hardware ports on the Thomson 270 Plus. While the built-in Ethernet port is limited to 100 megabits per second, the box features a full-speed USB 3.0 port. You can plug a compatible gigabit USB adapter directly into this port to bypass the hardware limits and get blistering internet speeds. It also features a hands-free voice control system similar to a Fire TV Cube, alongside a built-in Find My Remote button on the box to locate a lost controller instantly. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. In the current climate of malware, data mining, and provider restrictions, keeping your data secure is essential. Free streaming applications and third-party APKs can trigger severe buffering and network blocks from your internet service provider. A premium VPN hides your personal IP address entirely and stops provider throttling. NordVPN offers blazing fast speeds with zero buffering and allows you to connect unlimited devices simultaneously under a single affordable license. You can find the official NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that link to secure your brand new Android TV setup today. Which one of these hardware upgrades are you picking to replace your Fire Stick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if this alternative guide helped you out. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.